अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल पास पेपर हब। आज की वीडियो में हम केमिस्ट्री क्लास 10 पास पेपर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, जिसका टोटल टाइम 3 और है और सब्जेक्टिव पेपर आपकी स्क्रीन पे नज़र आ रहा है, जिसका टाइम हमारे पास 2 और 40 मिनट है। टोटल मार्क्स सेक्शन बी एंड सेक्शन सी के 53 हैं। सेक्शन बी मार्क 33। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, अटेम्प्ट ऑल पार्ट्स 11 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3। इसका मतलब है हमारे पास 11 पार्ट्स हैं जिन सबके 3 मार्क हैं। पार्ट 1, write names of the following CBA, or what is scalene lime, how it is produced during Solvay process. Part 2, write the names of the 3 raw material used to manufacture sodium carbonate, or how is methane prepared for the methyl chloride. Write complete balance sodium. Part 3, write down balance. Part 3, write down balanced chemical equation showing the formation of salt in the following: A. Acid base reaction. B. Reaction of acid with metal oxide. Or briefly describe following with example: monosaccharides. B. Protein. C. Vitamin. Part 4, briefly explain the strange behavior of water with temperature variation and its importance. Or derive alkali radical from the following alkalis. Write formula as well. Part 5, determines the reactants and product in the given expression. Or identify any two functional groups found in amino acid. Draw structure of the amino acid. Part 6, hard water hamper the cleaning action of soap. How? Or briefly explain roasting process with 2 examples. Part 7, what are the adjoint acid and base? Briefly explain with example. Or what is meant by a waterborne disease? Writes symptoms of any two. Part A, differentiate between open chain and closed chain compound with the help of structural formulas. Or briefly describe acid rain. Write its causes. Part 9, write two method of the preparation of ethyne. Give chemical equation. Or sucrose, lactose and maltose are disaccharide. How? Part 10, write chemical reaction to show ozone layer formation. Or what is meant by self ionization of water. Writes its chemical equation. Part 11, what is global warming, how it is caused, or how does industrial waste pollute the water. Section C mark 20, note attempt all parts. इसमें हमारे पास 20 टोटल मार्क हैं, जिसमें हमारे पास हमने 4 क्वेश्चन अटैम्प्ट करने हैं, यानी 5 मार्क के हर क्वेश्चन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डिस्क्राइब एलोब्रेडियम कांस्टेंट ड्राइव केस के एक्सप्रेशन फॉर जनरल from this equation. Or describe the Bronner-Lloyd concept of acid and base. Explain the following reaction in light of this concept. Part 4, what is soft water? Explain two methods of removing permanent hardness of water. Or what is RNA? Describe structure and function of RNA. Question number 5, differentiate between stratosphere and troposphere. Or draw flowsheet diagram of Solvay process. Question number 6, write names and uses of any 4 fraction obtained by fractional distillation of petroleum. Or write chemical equation showing reaction of KMNO4 with kaline and Calise. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।